Hey again, this is Calum from Turmeaus Chester, and today I have a bowl of Gawith and Hoggarth's American Style V blend, formerly known as vanilla. So, as you can probably imagine, with it being American and with it being vanilla, it is a very sweet vanilla flavoured blend. The tobacco itself really takes the background here. The forward flavour really is the flavouring. If you're interested, the tobacco is Black Cavendish and Virginia, but it's barely tasteable. Tasteable, is that a word? I'm sticking with it. It's barely tasteable in there. It's all about the flavouring. Now, if you've watched this channel, seen my other reviews, you'll know about the American blends Cherry and Vanilla, which comes from the same company, which uses the same vanilla flavouring, just combined with cherry, which is easily one of our most popular, if not the most popular aromatic pipe tobacco that we sell here in Chester. So the vanilla side of it was always going to be good. But what surprised me is when you take away the cherry side, you really get to see how complex the vanilla is. It isn't just vanilla that you taste. There's elements of bourbon, honey, caramel, and all sort of mingling together really nicely to give this creamy but satisfying sweet tobacco. So it is probably one more for sweet tooths, I'm not going to lie. If you like tobacco more natural, this probably isn't for you, but in my opinion there is just something about vanilla and tobacco that when the two things go together it just works beautifully. I do a chef's kiss, but my hands are full. So as you can imagine, I definitely recommend trying it. If you do want to try it, it's available as always at turmeaus.com. If you do try it, I hope you like it. Let us know what you think. And as ever, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in future. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Cheers.